Residents of several Clarendon communities are fuming at stalled works on a collapsed bridge, which they say is threatening lives and disrupting commute in the area. The matter was discussed at the latest municipal corporation meeting, where it was revealed that a feud between two government agencies is responsible for the delay. A literal black hole in Havana Heights, Clarendon, the aftermath of flooding and subsequent damage to the Woodside Bridge. It's left residents of Racetrack, Union and other nearby communities warning of a looming catastrophe.
We have children walking from school on that bridge and looking down in the water. Now one slip and a slide, boom, they're gone.
That was Carter Morris, a member of the Union Racetrack Community Development Committee in Clarendon, raising the issue at a municipal corporation meeting in December 2017. At the same meeting, this was Maypen Mayor WINSTON MARAGH's response.
I am, however, aware that the Woodside Bridge contract has been signed and the work should begin any time now. Of course, in the holiday season, they're going to wait until January for that work to begin.
But 2 months into the new year, the people are upset that nothing has yet been done to fix the problem they say is even affecting school attendance.
From year before last, the road broke way. And until now, we can't get nowhere to walk. No way. A bush we have to walk through. Mr. Wallinis come here, come look funny. Mr. Jamaica come here, every one of them come look funny. And until now, we can't get no road. The picnic them have to go bush and walk in a bush when them go to school. It is not right. Everybody road are fixed. Everybody are make nice too. We not make nice, we not get no road. The vehicle have to drive we run a racetrack. And we have to take vehicle go we run a racetrack, picnic go to school. Right now picnic them can't go to school. Sometimes they can't go because money no they fi pay them fare.
Residents say they're also worried about what will happen to them in the event of an emergency. And they point to an iron bridge nearby, which they say continues to be compromised by trucks laden with construction materials and over the allowable 10 tons. The people say if that iron bridge is also damaged, the community of Racetrack would be virtually cut off. Mayor MARAGH says he has spoken to the police about the matter, but as to replacing the damaged Woodside Bridge, councillors were not at all pleased to learn that a feud between the National Water Commission (NWC) and the National Works Agency (NWA) is behind the delay.
The government has made available emergency funding. The contract has been signed. And we cannot start the work because there are two government entities. Two government agencies at loggerheads.
NWA Communication Manager Stephen Shaw says the bridge cannot be replaced until an active NWC pipeline is disconnected and removed. But the NWC says it does not have the means to do so. He says both agencies have agreed to get a costing done by Friday, following which the pipeline will be removed and the work started on the Woodside Bridge. The acting head of the Clarendon Police, Superintendent David White, is raising concern about the lack of scrutiny given to individuals who start up small businesses, especially vending operations, in the parish. He was addressing the recent municipal corporation meeting where he reiterated that some criminals use vending as a front to carry out illegal activities. He is urging the responsible oversight agencies to be more vigilant. And the Central sent...
Because many of these shops are where we having murders in those places. We really, and in some little crevices and corners they have in the shops, putting up right across. When you look at Clarendon Park, who are these people? Who are they? And how is it that you don't own a property and you are given light and water to operate a business?